This fruit salad isn't just a recipe, it's a reminder that healthy choices can be colorful, flavorful, and festive too. Welcome to the sumptuous side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka, and you're highly welcome to my channel today. One of the star ingredients in this fruit salad is watermelon, and for good reason. Watermelon is not only hydrating, it's about 92% water, but it's also packed with nutrients like vitamin A and C, which helps keep your skin glowing and your immune system strong. It's also rich in antioxidants, which support heart health and help fight inflammation. Watermelon is light and easy to digest, making it a perfect fruit to enjoy before or between meals. Its natural sweetness also makes it a great choice for dessert without adding extra sugar. Plus, during the festive season, we often overindulge, I know, right? Watermelon will help refresh and cleanse the body, keeping us feeling energized. You can decide to cut this fruit into small paste, or you can decide to go with like a cube form of fruit salad. So whichever one you want to go with, it is fine. So I did this like in two different forms. I did the small one and I also did the cube part. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know where you're watching from, and I really want to say a very special thank you for all those that have been watching my videos starting for the first day of the vlogmas, and they are going to 25th, and that's tomorrow. Thank you so much. Can't even believe that I made it so far, uploading from the first and going to the 25th, and today is the eve of Christmas, and it's so amazing. Thank you so much. I cannot even thank you a lot. And if you're new to my channel, your first time of coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Teresa Metuka. So subsequently, you will see more of my face in my cooking videos. I'm going to try as much as possible just to show a bit of my face, just maybe in the beginning or the end of the video, so that you can recognize the voice behind the camera. Thank you so much. So let me just stop talking. Just enjoy this video. It's a self-explanatory, so let me not talk so much. So thank you so much, and you have a wonderful and beautiful Christmas celebration. Do not forget, Christ is risen for the season. Thank you so much.
Cover up
You can use your favorite fruits to make fruit salad, but I chose watermelon, pineapple, pawpaw, banana, oranges, and apple because this combination is refreshing, hydrating, and packed with nutrients to boost digestion, improve immunity, and leave you feeling energized. It's a perfect way to balance out all the festive indulgence. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Do not forget to like, share, and comment below. Like I said before, you have a wonderful and beautiful Christmas celebration.